In this video, you will see how to use the Oracle Cloud Operations Insight Capacity Planning AutoML forecasting feature and a few other related functionalities. Let's get started. Operations Insight Capacity Planning enables you to analyze database and host resource utilization trends. You can also identify capacity requirements and perform capacity planning optimization using its built-in forecasting models like linear regression, seasonality aware, and AutoML forecasting. Operations Insight Demo Mode will be used to review these capabilities. Once you're logged into the OCI console, navigate to Observability and Management, then to Operations Insight. Next, enable Demo Mode, then navigate to Capacity Planning. Here, you can drill down either to databases or hosts and view their resource usage trends and forecasts. Now, I will examine database CPU usage, a common activity in troubleshooting and resource management. Here, you can see CPU usage and trends for all databases. Operations Insight provides three different forecasting options. A linear regression model, which predicts future usage values assuming a linear relationship across variables. Seasonality Aware, which is the microanalytics service MAS model, detecting basic seasonality and predicts future usage values. The third one is AutoML Forecast, which selects the best fit model from numerous advanced models to provide a more accurate forecast for periodic workloads and more complex seasonality spikes. It identifies the most relevant machine learning algorithm and the hyperparameters for a training dataset of resource usages for every single database or host. The forecasts utilize the last 13 months of data, depending on how much data is available at the time of training, and it shows you the forecast for half of the training time range in future. You can use this slider to view a forecast for the time range equal to the training time. For example, if training the model with 13 months of data, then you can see the forecast for up to 13 months using this slider. You can also use this slider to zoom in and zoom out. You can also examine the 95% confidence channels. These green and brown bands help you better estimate future usage values. Whenever you click on AutoML forecasting, you get a pre-computed forecast on a fixed data window, so you cannot alter the training or forecast period, unlike the linear regression or seasonality aware models. But forecasts will be periodically retrained with the latest data sets, so you can always see the latest forecast displayed on this page. So why use this model? Well, it's a more advanced forecasting model than linear regression and seasonality aware models. For example, you can see for the database, sales_CS, its CPU usage spikes are of non-uniform size in a month, something that a seasonality-aware model would not detect. That's why it's good to have different forecasting options available to you to better match your business needs. Thank you for watching.